up, guys? Thank you for clicking on the video. So we're out here. It's after SEMA. Out here with Scott, and he's from Pennsylvania. He's kind of hanging out. We're at the kind of Optima Ultimate Street Car Challenge Finals, if you will. Lots of different cars going around, so we're going to walk the paddock, kind of show you some different things, see what we can get into. So SEMA has concluded. Please check out my other videos on SEMA. You're watching KnightDriveTV.
I always wanted to build fast cars, so self-taught I started with engine swaps, composites in my apartment, to multiple shops, tuning, fabrication, and more. 10 years later, the big time, SEMA, Speed TV, I climbed from nothing, but I lost it all. This is my new ride, KnightDriveTV. When failure is not an option, us car guys keep banging the gears of life. It's the Optima Ultimate Street Car Challenge final event following SEMA 2022. Here, a variety of cars gather, new and old, to go head-to-head in a series of competitions. These cars are judged based on design and engineering, road course performance, autocross times, and other performance challenges, which then accrue points to declare a winner. Optima allows you to see cars on a road course you never see at your typical track day. So let's go walk the paddock, talk with just a few of the competitors, and get a feel for the event. So I'd arrived, and what you'll find is with people having attended SEMA all week, they want to kind of get a wrap up, get their points in, and get home. And in addition, there was an incident on track. An engine failure leaves quite a spill. And so while cleanup is going on, we talked to a few of the competitors.
What you running, bro?
5.3 LS.
Yeah.
Supercharger.
With a little different kind of cover on there, you know what I mean?
You got a little
Make it
LSA
spicy.
on it.
What kind of power you make?
I makes 550 to the tire on pump gas.
Yeah. What's it weigh?
3260.
3260. So what's your hopes for today? How's it looking?
I just want to finish the day.
All right, so how long are you running Optima?
This is my first year.
So what do you think so far? How was it? What's the perception for somebody who's never done it before?
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I didn't expect to enjoy it as much as I do. You have a lot of different aspects of racing, from autocross, speed, stock, road course.
Right. Well, good luck, man.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
I love the wide body, the approach, front splitter, things like that. I mean, it's just well put together. I think everybody wants to drive this on the street. I got a feeling. Word on the streets is your wife daily drives this, and this is just your weekend racer, but
she actually daily drives that 69 bed up there with the big block.
Oh yeah, that's good stuff.
And it's LS7. It's aftermarket block, but it's
right.
It's basically standard bore. Ford's goods in it. And everything. And, it makes about 580 to the wheels.
Right. What's it weigh?
The car weighs 3320.
3320. You in it? Without you in it?
Without me in it. We've got a new Speed Tech chassis for it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you're going to keep going in Optima? You feel like year after year for a little while anyway?
We like it. We're out of Virginia, so we ended up here because we went to the Optima VI at VIR.
Right.
Which we go there every now and then.
Yeah.
So we went down there and we thought, well, maybe we can
make it to the top,
we can do well enough to get invited.
Yeah.
So that's the way it worked out. So,
right.
Man, this is only the third one we've ever done.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of fun, now that you're seeing the people that you're hanging out with.
Well, it looks good. I mean, I think a lot of people like the visual presence that it has. It looks real aggressive. So
I appreciate it.
Cool looking car, man. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Ron Scott.
So they're shooting this guy. He was I ran in the autocross video. He was out there, and so I think they're shooting some video.
So during the course of these events, there are camera crews there that are shooting video for feature on MAV TV, which you can stream and locate at various places online.
We got a wicked chick in here. This is her, folks, the official wicked chick driving the Z06. How are you?
Good, how are you?
KnightDriveTV, I do like lighting for C5s and things like that. So I have a YouTube channel, so I just come out here because of Jim Rob Racing.
Yeah,
he's got my headlights on his car, so shooting a video. So how are you doing?
Pretty good.
How's it looking?
This is my first time driving this car here at this track. track.
Yeah,
so,
for sure.
Yeah.
Have you done laps yet, or is this your first session?
No, this will be the 4th session coming
Yeah,
up. So.
I love this track. I think
it's great. The car feels great,
very
so
fun.
I'm pretty happy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what you know, because some people were like, how do you get into this? You know what I mean? Like, how long have you been running Optima? Is this your first year?
I started running Optima in 2018, and I actually started out with a truck.
Oh, yeah?
So my whole racing career was off of a truck. I had a 2-door Silverado that I autocrossed, and then unfortunately that was stolen.
Oh my
and
gosh.
a product of that was Ella swapping a Colorado with a 6-speed transmission.
Cool.
So I raced that for a bit.
Yeah.
I came out for LS Fest. I did an Optima in Fontana in 2018 with it.
Oh, wow.
So I've run it a couple times, but I've had this car for 2 years now. So I'm out of the truck scene and into a proper car
So
now.
were you always into Corvettes, or is it just that happened to be what you chose?
I was always into trucks.
Really?
I wanted to take something that wasn't meant to go around the track, and I wanted to make it happen.
Prove to people, hey, I can do it. You know?
So, but then I ended up finding this one, and I took it out for a couple track days, and I'm like, what am I doing?
Yeah, I mean, they're
This
Corvettes.
is great. Like,
how do you beat them? You know what I mean?
Yeah. It was so great. Like when I bought it, it was stock. I took
Yeah.
it out to the track a week and a half later, and
Yeah.
I was like, this is stock, and
Yeah.
it feels amazing.
Ridiculous, yeah.
So no, everything I've done to it is just fine tune it.
Yeah? Who's this guy? Your
fiance.
Your pit support.
My pit support,
Yeah.
fiance.
Someone's got to check tire pressure.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, it's very fortunate because Falcon was the one who brought me out here. So
Oh, really?
I'm, super thrilled that I can come experience this.
Yeah.
But these are some of the fastest drivers in
Yeah.
the nation. So
Yeah, very competitive series.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm learning. This
Sure.
is a great experience for me.
sure.
So watching these guys go out, it's awesome.
Oh, he's alive. What do you think of the race gas and the noises, Scott?
Love it.
Yeah.
I need more of it.
Are you a car guy, Scott? Do you consider yourself a car guy?
I'm coming back.
He's coming back. What do you think held you away?
Can't say.
Oh, he can't. He edits himself for the video now. Well, that about wraps it up. We tried to get some on-track stuff, but they were having a lot of track incidents. We had a couple offs and stuff, so wasn't much going on. And just trying to cover Optima. We got some guys, some things over here making noises. So 9 Lives Racing trying to get running right. So that's about it. I guess it's a wrap up from here. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.